Welcome to Maker World. In today's video, we follow an amazing one-man shed build, where simple wood slowly becomes a studio, office, and guest house. First, the empty space is prepared, then the strong base of the shed is built with measured wood. Wooden borders are placed around the base to keep the shape accurate for the next stage of construction. Long wooden beams are being placed on the stone base according to measurements to create a strong floor frame for the shed, while heavy wooden beams are being installed on top of the floor frame to build a stronger, more stable, and durable main structure. The long wooden boards are being cut according to measurements, so every part of the shed frame fits properly, while a circular saw is being used to prepare the wood in uniform sizes, making the upcoming framing work easier, more precise, and efficient. Support blocks are being installed between the joists to keep the floor structure solid and prevent any movement in the future, while each section is being securely fastened along the frame, making the shed floor more stable, strong, and safe. After the insulation is installed, large plywood sheets are being placed on top, allowing the solid floor base to gradually take its final shape, while additional plywood panels are being fitted over the insulation to create a strong, level, and practical foundation for the shed floor. The long wooden boards are being arranged on the floor according to measurements so the wall frame can be built in the correct alignment and shape, while the studs are being fastened quickly with a nail gun, allowing the wall structure to gradually take form and become stronger. After raising one wall, another frame is being assembled on the floor so the next wall can be prepared accurately, while the second wall frame is being lifted into position, allowing both sides of the shed structure to become clearly defined and take on a stronger form. The long wooden boards are being evenly spaced and firmly secured with a nail gun, allowing the new wall frame to be built quickly, accurately, and strongly, while the completed frame is now being raised into position so the shed structure can become more complete, stable, and well-formed. After the surrounding wall frames are erected, header and support boards are being installed along the top to make the entire structure stronger, more stable, and durable, while a long header beam is being fitted in the center to create a solid upper frame above the door or opening and provide additional support. Long top plates are being installed along the upper section of the walls to securely tie all the walls together and strengthen the entire structure, while the prepared lumber is being lifted onto the shed one piece at a time so the roof frame can be built step by step and the next stage of construction can move forward. Additional support boards are being installed beneath the roof rafters to make the entire roof structure stronger, more stable, and long-lasting, while the rafters are being carefully aligned and secured with screws and nails, helping the upper framework become more balanced, secure, and solid. After the roof rafters are installed, large plywood sheets are being attached to the exterior walls to make the shed structure stronger and more enclosed, while the plywood panels are being fitted one by one, so the open frame can gradually transform into a solid, stable, and fully enclosed structure. After the exterior plywood walls are completed, the roof rafters become more clearly visible, and the shed is gradually taking on a strong, solid, and complete form, while the rafter connections are being reinforced from inside to make the upper structure safer, more stable, and long-lasting. Additional small support pieces are being installed inside the roof frame to firmly connect the rafters and make the entire structure more stable, while wood is being cut and prepared outside according to measurements, so each part can fit perfectly into the roof frame. Support beams are being installed beneath the front roof overhang to make the structure above the entrance stronger, more stable, and better finished, while large roof boards are being lifted with the help of a tractor, so the heavy sheets can be safely and easily placed onto the roof. Large plywood sheets are being installed on the roof and secured with screws to create a strong, even, and durable base over the rafters, while after installation, the excess edges are being trimmed to keep the roof lines clean and straight, and finally fascia boards are being added to the roof edges to give the overhang a neat, straight, and well-finished appearance. The ends of the fascia boards are being properly secured around the roof, so the overhang becomes clean, straight, and strong, while white trim boards are being installed along the roof edges to cover the plywood ends and give the entire roof a clean, neat, and finished appearance. The rolled roofing sheet is being gradually spread and installed across the roof, making the entire roof stronger, more secure, and long-lasting against weather conditions, while each layer is carefully aligned at the roof edges to ensure there are no gaps and no water or rain can enter inside. Shingles are being installed step by step over the black roofing membrane, making the roof stronger, more durable, and weather-resistant. While the shingle installation is almost complete, and the remaining small edge sections are being carefully aligned to finish the roof in a clean, neat, and fully completed way. The White House wrap is being stretched and installed around the walls, preparing the shed's exterior for the next siding work, while exterior siding panels are being installed over the house wrap to make the shed walls more protected, durable, and nicely finished. After installing the exterior siding panels, a large door opening is being prepared at the front so the door can be properly fitted, while a sliding glass door is being installed, making the shed entrance more modern, attractive, and functional. After installing the sliding glass door, exterior trim, siding finish, and lower detailing work are being completed step by step to make the entrance stronger, neater, and more attractive, while a clear sheet is being installed above the door, allowing more natural light inside and making the space brighter, modern, and functional. Clear panels have been installed in the upper long window sections, allowing more natural light to enter the shed, while the upper and side areas of the door frame are being covered to create a cleaner, more refined finish with the siding. Holes are being drilled into the wooden studs according to measurements to create pathways for wiring, making the electrical installation easier and more organized, while electrical wiring is being installed inside the walls so that lights, switches, and power outlets can be used safely and conveniently in the future. Insulation boards are being installed between the interior wall frames to regulate temperature and make the space more comfortable, while insulation work in the wall and roof cavities has been completed, making the shed warmer, safer, and more livable. After insulation work is completed, a black vapor barrier has been installed on the interior walls. Ceiling boards are now being fitted, gradually moving the shed into its finishing stage where the walls and ceiling are becoming cleaner, neater, and more refined. Floorboards are being installed one by one across the floor, giving the interior a cleaner, more comfortable, and professional appearance, while the combination of black accent walls, wooden flooring, and white trim is transforming the shed into a modern, attractive, studio-like space. After all the finishing work was completed, a drum set, microphone, furniture, and essential equipment were installed inside the shed, transforming it into a fully functional modern studio, while the step-by-step construction and finishing process has turned this backyard wooden shed into a beautiful, comfortable, and professional quality studio space.